best friend gave me the best advice. He said each day's a gift.
What do you think about your dad about to jump out of a plane?
I think it's awesome.
A total bragging rights. So you made it back.
We made it back.
Usually they come out and say they're coming and then they never come back. Although we didn't tell you were going with Mike, so that's usually what makes him leave.
He's done it before, right?
Don't respond to that. So, you ready for this?
There we go.
My name's Alex. What's your name? Tom. Nice to meet you, Tom. So is this something you're
Rolling with the video?
I'll be the one jumping on it, following you down. Cracking jokes the whole way down.
Unless you want to do a cracking?
So is this something you always wanted to do?
Oh yeah. Yeah. I used to sorry about that. I used to look at videos of people, hang live. I've always said this is one thing that I've wanted to do for a very long time, so nervous but ready.
You're gonna love it. Pretty cool to come out as father and daughter activity. This is like a norm.
I was texting that.
You have fun. I'll see you on the way up. Is there anything you want to say to your dad before he does this?
You're a man.
Tomorrow was too late. Could you say goodbye to yesterday? Would you live each moment like your last? Leave old pictures in the past. Donate every dime you have. And would you call those friends you never see? Reminisce on memories.
Last chance to get out.
I'm going, baby. I'm going.
Good, because we weren't going to let you out anyway.
Dreaming of swear up and down the God of love. That you finally fall in love. If today was your last day, if today was your last day, would you make your mark like mending a broken heart? You know it's never too late to shoot for the stars, regardless of who.
How you feeling back there?
Oh man, I'm doing good.
You're over a half mile up already.
Really? No.
That's a long way down. Anything you want to say to your daughter down there?
Yeah, girl, you're gonna love it so far. A little tight here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. In a single prop plane. I was surprised we got off the ground.
Our pilot was as surprised as you are.
Not a given right. Leave no stone unturned. Leave your fears behind. And try to take the path less traveled by. That first step you take is the longest ride. If today was your last day, tomorrow was too late, could you say goodbye to yesterday? Would you live each moment like your last? Leave old pictures in the past. Donate every dime you have. If today was your last day, against the grain should be a way of life. What's worth the prize is always worth the fight. Every second counts, 'cause there's no second try.
Got it?
Yeah. That's the last 100 feet that it wasn't about.
So what do you think?
Wow.
Congratulations.
That was awesome. Honey, I did it!
Thanks for flying with Canadian parachuters. You did great. Get a photo of your Tatum and Trevor. Actually, here's your daughter. You want to see her first?
There we go. Yeah. No?
He's on camera. He's not going to say that.
Come on! Oh my God.
A broken